All right, I thought I'd do an update on United States Steel. Haven't done one in a few months, probably something like that. But it is pretty much doing exactly what you would expect. If you look at the monthly chart, we had first wave, second wave, third wave, and fourth wave down to here, and then the fifth wave up to here. Standard Elliot wave impulsive move. And so what are we looking for on a pullback on the monthly? We're looking for minimum 50%. So I would say that based on the monthly time frame, we got to get to at least 22 bucks, something like that. So then we can zoom in here. If we zoom in here on the weekly, let's see where we're at on this wave right here. And just a note too, if you watched the videos previously, this made a new low in the Corona crash, so you have to start over. This is completely brand new wave count because we made a new low. So this is the first overall wave right here. So this is currently in a second wave formation. And if we go to the daily, you can't really see anything right there. So the top is here. We have 1, 2. So I'll put 1. It's pretty easy to see here. That's why I love this stock. It's so easy to see the formation and see the moves, and it moves so consistently. This could be 4 or 5. This could be the very bottom of the A move. Let's see here though. Let's just say this is A for now, because it's going to be around in this area anyway. But this is not going to be the bottom. Well, depending on what the B move does. We'll say this is the fifth wave right here, which it probably is, to be honest. So if that's the case, we're looking for minimum of a pullback to 29 all the way to, 29 all the way to the very top here, but most likely $29 to $31. So we'll go ahead and put lines there. Whoops. So we got A, we'll have B up here somewhere. This took about, what did this take? This took about a month and a half. B is usually a lot quicker. So I'm guessing sometime in June we have B. And then C is going to be to a minimum 22 bucks. Could be lower than that. So then what would we expect after we see C? Let's say C is right here. Let's say it goes to 20 bucks. What are we expecting after the move to C? I would be looking for, on the next move, something around 60 bucks. If you ever look at the fundamentals on United States Steel as well, you'll notice that, we can look at it real quick. They have a ton of cash. Their market cap is way below, I think, their cash position. Let me see. $6 billion market cap. Whoops. $6 billion market cap. Their revenue, is $22 billion. They only have a $6 billion market cap. And how much cash do they have? And they have about $3 billion in cash. Operating cash flow. This is like one of the stronger companies you can buy. And actually, if it gets down to 20 bucks, that's a straight up buy, especially with the market falling. So I think this is a very strong buy even here, but I still think that it's going to probably bounce and then probably have one more move. This could be another 3 or 4 months before we actually see it take off for the third wave. And so I'm not like in any hurry to buy it, but it's definitely something to look at, and definitely a company that, or a stock that's going to go much higher here in the future. So maybe, let's say if it bounces in June, the C wave is usually longer. I would say you're probably looking at like 4 months or so, maybe somewhere in August or September, which would correlate with the overall market if you've watched my overall market videos. So you got plenty of time to accumulate this, but I think this could be a double or a triple from 20 bucks over the next couple of years. So, all right, that's it for this one. Just wanted to check in because I haven't done a video on this in a long time. But I'll probably do an update here within the next month and see where we're at. But like and subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments.